Question 2, no calculator. The students in Class A and Class B were all given a word puzzle to solve. The times taken by the students were recorded and summarised in two tables. So we have Class A and Class B. Time to finish, how many seconds? There were 13 people, took between 0 and 10, 5 between 10 and 20, 1 and 1. Class A. Class B, between 0 and 5 seconds there was one person. Between 10 and 15 there was 6, and K, an unknown value, an unknown number of students, took between 5 and 10 seconds. A. Question A, the teacher for Class A decided to draw a pie chart to represent her class. So Class A, we're looking there. Let's have a quick look. That adds up to 13, 15, 1 and 1 is 20 students. How would you draw a pie chart from those values? So the pie chart we know is going to look, there's 13, it's over halfway, and then we have some people 10 to 20 and very few in the last two sectors. So that's what a pie chart is, that's what it would look like roughly. What would be the angles? Well, let's just take the 1. The 1 is 1 out of 20, so we need a 20th, and a 20th of 360 degrees, that will be 360 degrees divided by 20, cancel the zeros, 36 divided by 2, 18 degrees. So obviously the next one is 18 degrees as well. What about the 5, the frequency of 5? Well, that's 5 times bigger. 5 times 18 degrees, that is 90 degrees. So you could now do 360, take away 90, take away 18, take away 18, or we could just do 13 times 18. 13 times 18, we're going to have 3 8s are 24, and 3 times 1 is 3, that's 54. And then we have, put a 0, 1, 8, and 1, we have 234 degrees. So our four sectors, maybe let's write them down in order. The angles would be 234 degrees, 90 degrees, 18 degrees, and 18 degrees. B. Using the tabulated information, the Class B teacher decided to estimate the mean time each class had taken to solve the puzzle. Given that the estimate of the mean was found to be the same for both classes, calculate the value of K. So we need to work out the Class A average. We can do that, the mean value, and then we'll match that with B. So we need midpoints. So 0 to 10, the midpoint will be 5 seconds. 10 to 20, 15, 25, and 35. So let's work out that mean. The mean is going to come from, for A, we're going to be dividing by the 20 people. We have 13 lots of 5 seconds, plus 5 lots of 15 seconds, 1 lot of 25 seconds, and 1 lot of 35 seconds. So 13 times 5, 65, 5 times 15 is 75, plus a 25, plus a 35, divided by 20. If we add those up, you get 200 divided by 20. So the mean time is 10 seconds. Turning our attention to B, we're going to have the same method, it's just that we know the answer is 10. So 10 is going to equal, let's do the same method, we got 1 lot of, here we need the midpoints, 2.5, between 5 and 10, the midpoint is 7.5 and 12.5. So we got 1 lot of 2.5, K lots of 7.5, then we have 6 lots of 12.5, divided by, right, if we go back up here, how many people are we talking about? Well, the class, it's 1 add K add 6. The K is still involved in this part. So We know 1 and 6 is 7, so I'm going to write down 7 plus k. All right, next we have to multiply the 7 plus k to the left-hand side. So we're going to do 10 times that 7 plus k as we try and solve this equation. 1 times 2.5 is 2.5. K times 7.5, I'm going to put 7.5 times k, plus we need to do 12.5 times 6. So the way I would do it, I would say 12.5 doubled is 25. This is the same as 25 times 3, which gives us 75, plus 75. Let's tidy that up a tiny bit. Here we multiply out the brackets. 70 plus 10k is 75, and 2.5 is 77.5 plus 7.5k. We can take away the 70. 10k is 7.5 plus 7.5k. We can take away 7.5k from both sides. 2.5k is 7.5, and if we divide by 2.5, 7.5 divided by 2.5, the numerator, the top, is 3 times the bottom, 3. K is equal to 3. 3 students in that middle category would give the mean score of the same for Class A and Class B.